friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our f. So what is that f condition here is? So what are the equations? Let's find out what is that ax plus by plus c will be equal to 0. So here our first question, x plus y will be equal to 5. Then x plus y minus 5 will be equal to 0. So this is our first one. Let's take it second one. So what is our second one? 2x plus 2y will be equal to 10. Then 2x plus 2y minus 10 will be equal to 0. So we will get this one as it is. So let's going to take what is this? Is that getting coincident or not? Yes, it is a coincident. How I am saying here is 2x 2y minus 10. It is a multiplied or taken out to outside. Then x plus 5 minus 5 we will get. So based on that we can say. Let's take it. This is the first equation and this is second equation. So find the ratios. So a1 by a2. So a1 in first one is what? A2 is what? 2. So that is 1 by 2. Then let's take b1 by b2. So b1 is 1. So here in front of y, x are 1 is there. Then b2 is 2. That is 1 by 2. Then c1 by c2. What I can say? Minus 5 by minus 10. So both will going to cancel. 5 ones are, then 5 twos are. Then what answer we are getting? 1 by 2. So based on this condition, you can see one thing. A1 by A2 will be equal to B1 by B2 will be equal to C1 by C2. As I told here, all the ratios are equal. The two lines are what? What I said? Coincident lines. So let's take this one as one line. Then another line will be this one. So based on this coincident lines, you can say like that. So write it this one, coincident lines. Then how many solutions? Infinite solutions. Then that is consistent and dependent solutions. So based on this, we can say like this. The graph will be coincident to each and every equation upon that only. Let's going to see our equations. Here in tabular column. Let's find out the solutions. So what is this? For the equation x plus y, then x plus y will be equal to what answer we will get? 5 minus x. So this is the equation. Then let's take it, this 2y will be equal to 10 minus 2x. Then y will be equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. So this is the value 10 minus 2x. You can take common of outside 2 and 5 minus x by 2 also we can take. But so we can take it this one. So first one, let's keep it value of 0. So if you take 0 value, so first one keep it 0, then y will be equal to 5 minus 0, that will be equal to 5. Then 0 comma 5. Let's keep it 1. So 1 you can keep it means 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. Then 1 comma 4. Then let's keep it 2. So y will be equal to what is that? So y will be equal to 5 minus 2. If you keeping negative values, it will going to increase. So it will going to increase the values. So for that we are not taking any negativity values. So let's take this one 2 comma 3. Then let's keep on this 3. So if you take 3 value, what answer we will get here? The answer is, let's take it, minus 1 if you take means it will going to increase. So y will be equal to 5 minus 3. That will be equal to 3 comma 2. Let's take it, the values for this graph. Let's keep it 0, then y will be equal to 10 minus 0 by 2, that is 10 by 2. What answer we will get? 5. So 0 comma 5. Let's take it 1, then y will be equal to 10 minus 2 by 2, that is 8 by 2. We will get it as 4. Then 1 comma 4. Let's keep it here 4. Then what answer we will get? So 10 minus 2 4s are 8 by 2. Then what answer we will get? 2 by 2. That is 1. Then 4 comma 1. So it is getting that straight line which will be there in the first quadrant and second quadrant. Then let's keep it some other one. So 1 comma 6 minus 1. Let's take it minus 1. Y will be equal to 10. That is minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 by 2. That is 12 by 2. That is 6. So minus 1 comma 6. Let's see our graph equation. So this is the equations and these are the solutions. Let's draw the graph now. Let's going to construct lines for the given equations. So for this, x plus y will be equal to 5, then 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So let's take it the first point 0 comma 5. So what is that? 0 comma 5 means it is exactly x is 0 and y is 0.5. So here 0 comma 5, that is on positive y axis. Then 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is this one. So 1 from 1 here, this is 1 comma 4. Then 1 comma 4 is this one. Then 2 comma 3, from 2 to 3, this is the point of 2 comma 3. Let's going to take 3 comma 2. So from 3 to 2. So this is the point. So 3 comma 2. Let's find out the what is second one. So second one, let's going to construct this line. So let's going to join all these points using Gauss. So all these points, what equation we will get? So this is the equation. Let's take it this one as it is. So what line it is? So this line equation is, what is this? X plus y will be equal to 5. Then let's going to take another points. What is that? 0 comma 0.5. This is 0 comma 5. The next one 1 comma 4 as it is for that. Then 4 comma 1. So 4 comma 1 is this one. Already we are taken 4 comma 1. Then let's going to take minus 1 comma 6. So minus 1 comma 6 means from 1 to, this is the point what we will get. So minus 1 comma 6. Let's going to join these points. So this red color points, if you join, means same line we will get without changing that. What is that? Coincident lines. So these are the graphs. So these are the graph for given equations. So let's going to join all these points. Then what answer? One line, same line we will get. So this is the line. So what is this equation? You can write what is this, same here only, 2x plus 2y will be equal to 10. So both are all points, infinite solutions. What you can write, infinite solutions and coincident lines. Coincident lines, then what you can write again, dependent on each other. Dependent on each other. So these are the graph line for the given points. We have to draw like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.